The Lambo-inspired Mahindra BE6 is surprisingly good in two major attributes compared to any other EV under 40,000 Aussie dollars. First is the pricing. If you thought that the Geely EX5 was great value for money, with its $40,000 starting price, the Mahindra has been launched at $7,000 less than that in India. Even when it lands in Australia, it will be around $5,000 cheaper than the Geely. The BE6 is shorter in length by about 10 inches. But it has a lot more boot space, plus a 45-litre frunk, which is absent in the Geely. Credit goes to Mahindra's born electric platform, whereas the Geely is an electrified version of a conventional platform. That being said, the Geely does have more room inside the cabin, especially at the rear. Both cars boast of a modern interior layout and are pretty evenly matched in terms of features. The only crucial difference being the heat pump, which is absent in the Mahindra. Other missing features like heated mirrors and seats might easily get added when the BE6 is tweaked for global markets, but not the heat pump. Check out the detailed comparison of tech and equipment in the pinned comment. Now coming to the most important aspect of range, the Geely has the exact same battery size as the base BE6. However, the Geely is 200 kilos lighter, giving it a 30-kilometer advantage in real-world range. But for those willing to spend an extra $4,000 over the Geely, can go for the range-topping BE6 with 100-kilometer more range than the EX5. The top-end BE6, in fact, has two more advantages over the Geely. First is the 67 extra horsepower, making it slightly quicker than the Geely to 100 kph. Second advantage, which is more critical for electric vehicles, is the fast charging capability. The BE6 can charge 80% faster than the Geely. That means the BE6 can add 15 kilometers of range every minute, compared to just 9 kilometers for the Geely. Even the base BE6 charges 40% faster than the Geely, at roughly 12 kilometers per minute. One important miss by both the manufacturers here is a twin charging port provision like BYD. It would have been a real-time saver at all those charging stations which have 60 or 90 kilowatt outputs. There you could have cut your waiting time in half by a simple solution which does not cost more than $100 per vehicle. Nevertheless, it has to be mentioned before we end this video that a used Model 3 is still a better choice than these two. You can easily find one for the same price as the Geely, with not more than 20,000 kilometers on the clock. Thanks a ton for watching till the end. Check out this controversial video that we have published recently. And please type out all your criticisms and disagreements in the comment box below. We absolutely enjoy replying to each and every one of them.